Okay, here's the mini video tour of progress so far. So coming in from the main entry, these are the existing old stairs. Heading up to the new stairs and the new landing. Gotta be careful, no railing. And there's this big window at the top. Big window. And then up again to the landing area. Temporary rail up here. So this will be overlooking the living room area. Nice little landing. And then into what will be Owen's bedroom. That'll be a big window on the front and a big one on the side. It's dark in his room right now. And then moving into the Jack and Jill bath. So now I'm standing in the bath. Along that wall will be a double sink vanity. And then over here, separated by a door, will be a tub shower and stool in that corner.